Have you ever looked at the long list of ingredients on a cleaning product and wondered what half of them actually are? Many commercial cleaners do a good job removing dirt and stains, but some people prefer simpler alternatives for everyday cleaning. The good news is that you don't always need a cabinet full of specialized products to keep your home clean. Today, we're exploring 5 natural ways to clean different areas of your home using common household ingredients. These methods can help tackle everyday messes while keeping your cleaning routine simple and affordable. Let's get started. Number 1. Vinegar for glass and mirrors. If your mirrors and windows are covered in fingerprints, water spots, or dust, white vinegar can be a useful cleaning tool. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the glass surface and wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Why does this work? Vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps break down mineral deposits and residue that can leave glass looking dull. This method is often used on mirrors, windows, glass tables, shower doors. Important note: avoid using vinegar on natural stone surfaces such as marble or granite, as it may damage the finish. Number 2. Baking soda for sinks and stubborn stains. Baking soda is one of the most versatile cleaning ingredients you can keep at home. For sinks, tubs, and stained surfaces, sprinkle baking soda directly onto the area. Add a small amount of water to create a paste and gently scrub with a sponge. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive, helping remove grime without scratching many common surfaces. You can use it for kitchen sinks, bathtubs, stovetops, trash cans. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly with water. Number 3. Lemon for freshening and deodorizing. Lemons aren't just for cooking. Their natural acidity and fresh scent make them useful for certain cleaning tasks. Try rubbing half a lemon over cutting boards that have food odors. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. You can also place lemon slices in a bowl of warm water to help freshen the air while cleaning. Some people use lemon juice to help loosen soap scum and hard water spots in bathrooms as well. Remember that lemon juice can affect some delicate surfaces, so always test a small area first. Number 4. Steam for deep cleaning without chemicals. One of the simplest cleaning methods doesn't require any cleaning products at all. Steam cleaners use hot water vapor to loosen dirt and grime from various surfaces. They are commonly used on tile floors, bathroom grout, sealed hard floors, upholstery. The heat helps lift dirt, making it easier to wipe away. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and make sure the surface is suitable for steam cleaning. Number 5. Hot water and dish soap for everyday cleaning. Sometimes the most effective solution is also the simplest. A small amount of dish soap mixed with warm water can help remove grease, food residue, and general dirt from many household surfaces. Use this mixture on countertops, cabinets, appliance exteriors, tables. After cleaning, wipe the surface with a clean damp cloth to remove any remaining soap residue. Bonus tip: don't forget the microfiber cloth. Many people focus on cleaning solutions but overlook the cleaning tool itself. Microfiber cloths are excellent for trapping dust and dirt particles. They can often clean effectively with just water, making them a useful addition to any cleaning routine. Final thoughts: keeping your home clean doesn't always require a shelf full of specialty products. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, warm water, and dish soap can help with many everyday cleaning tasks when used appropriately. The key is choosing the right method for the right surface and always testing new cleaning solutions in a small, hidden area first. Which of these natural cleaning methods have you tried before? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical home and health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.